Welcome Tech Pros. It's my first video about zero trust. So before starting the video, if you like the video, please subscribe and like. Without wasting more time, let's dig in. You trust your phone, your apps, your network. But what if I told you you shouldn't? Zero trust isn't a buzzword, it's a mindset. Born from breaches, built for resilience. This was just an introduction now. Let's get into more deeper. Starting with chapter 1, what is zero trust? Never trust, always verify. Every user, every device, every request. Assume breach. Enforce least privilege. Trust isn't given, it's earned. Every time. Imagine a world where no one, not even your own device, is trusted by default. That's zero trust. It's a cybersecurity model built on core principle never trust, always verify. Every user, every device, every request must prove it's legit. Every time, gone are the days of perimeter. It's not a strategy, it's a mindset. Because in today's world, trust isn't given, it's earned. Moving to chapter 2, Zero Trust Architecture. This isn't a product, it's a framework defined by NIST 800 207 microperimeters. Granular access, identity at the center. Think of your digital world like a fortress, but in a zero trust architecture. There are no open gates. Every user, every device, every app must prove who they are every time. This isn't just about firewalls, it's about continuous verification. Zero trust architecture assumes breach. It doesn't care if you are inside the network, it treats every request as suspicious. It checks identity, device health, location, and behavior before granting access. It's not a single product, it's a strategic framework, one that integrates identity. It's a decision made every second. That's zero trust architecture. Moving to chapter 3, the 5-step methodology. Zero trust isn't a one-time setup. It's a living, evolving strategy and it starts with 5 powerful steps. Step 1. Define your protect surface. Not everything needs guarding, just what matters most. Your data, apps, assets, and services. Step 2. Map transaction flows. Understand how data moves, who access what, when, and how. Architect your zero trust network. Design micro perimeters around protect surface. Use segmentation, identify controls, and encryption to lock it down. 4. Monitor and maintain. Zero trust evolves, so should your defenses. Continuously inspect, adapt, and respond to threats in real time. Because in zero trust, security isn't static, it's a mindset emotion. That's all in chapter 3. Now moving to chapter 4. Device and app health. Your device isn't innocent. Outdated OS, over-verified app, access denied, zero trust checks device health every single time. If it fails, it's quarantined, no exceptions. In zero trust, your identity isn't enough. Your device and apps must be healthy too. Why? Because even a zero trust user on a compromised device is a threat. Device health means checking if your system is secure. Is it patched? Is antivirus running? Is it jailbroken or rooted? Only complaint devices get access. Everything else is blocked or quarantined. Because in zero trust, access isn't just about who you are, it's about what you are using and whether it can be trusted. This was it in chapter 4. Now moving on to chapter 5, review app permission. Does your flashlight need your location? Does your game need your mic? Review, restrict, reclaim, control. Because in zero trust, even your app must prove themselves. Every app you install asks for something. Your location, your camera, your contacts. But do they really need it? That's where reviewing app permission comes in. Zero trust starts on your phone. Go into settings, open the permission manager, see which apps can access that and why. Does a flashlight app need your microphone? Does a game need your location? If it feels off, deny it. You can allow access only while using the app or block it entirely. To see this in action, how to manage app permission on Android 10 walks through the permission manager and special access settings in details. Easily manage app permission on Android 6.0 and above is also great for understanding how to grant or deny access to message, camera and more. This was all about zero trust. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. We will meet in next video. Until then, bye.